Put your hands behind your fucking back!
Stop!
Yo!
Stop! Stop!
On September 15th, 2025, Pennsauken Police in New Jersey responded to a reported physical fight at a Wawa convenience store. When officers moved in to detain the primary suspect, she resisted, turning a disturbance call into 5 criminal charges. This footage was obtained from police body-worn cameras.
Excuse me, sir. Everybody needs to go outside.
Yo, back up, yo, let's go. Back up. Go.
Bro, get off of me. Get off of me.
Go ahead.
Get off of me.
I'll get.
Put your hands behind your fucking back!
Get off of me. Yo, dog, look at girl. Dog, bro, I would've put you right in this shit, bro. Bro, I need to fix my phone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Yo.
Stop touching me! I don't like people touching me.
I'm bringing the car around.
Stop touching me.
Can you leave the door open, please? Can you leave the door
Stop
open?
pulling me like that, my fucking hand, nigga. Stop!
Yo.
That shit hurts! Stop!
Let's go.
Stop!
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts!
I got up.
Stop! Yo, get the f*** off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go.
Yes.
Ready?
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up!
Stop! Mommy!
Get up.
Stop, please!
Get up then.
Stop! Let me go!
Are you gonna get up?
Let me go! How the f*** I'ma get up, bro?
All right, let's go.
Stop! I hate when people touch me!
Okay, then sit up. Let's go.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go! Let me go! Yo!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Sit up.
Now don't talk to me now!
Sit up.
I'm f***ing here!
Sit up. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo, bro, that's weird! Ah! Stop! Please
We're gonna have
stop!
to pick her up.
Bro, that hurts! Stop!
Got it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo! Bro! Nah, bro, that shit weird. That shit weird, bro. Stop, bro. Please stop. Yo, that shit is weird.
Watch your
Let's
head.
go.
Hold on, don't open the door. Watch your head.
Yo, that shit is weird.
Can you get up? Because
Are you gonna get up?
Yo, no.
you can
Please
breathe.
just
Sit
let
down.
me get up.
Okay, then get up.
Let me
you
get
get
up.
up, but you're not getting
Let
up.
me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up.
Hold on to your side. Your
Hold
side.
on.
Your other side. There you go. There you go.
Yo.
There you go.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing
Let's go.
everybody. Yo, my fucking head.
Let's go.
No. Bro, grab my phone. Grab my phone. No, I need it now. My cigarettes, my phone, my money, everything. Please, bro, please. My phone in there, my
Let's go.
fucking cigarettes, my money, bro.
Let's go.
Get my cab keys, bro. Take my cab, bro.
You gonna stand up? Let's go.
Yo,
Stand up. Okay.
take my cab.
Stand up.
Shit, wait. Go get it, please, go get it.
Stand up.
Please. You can have it, bro. Take my shit. Take my shit.
Walk back.
No, in the
Walk back.
store, my phone, my cigarettes in there.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down. Put your feet in, please.
No, I can't. Wait, I'm trying. Stop touching me. I hate when people touch me.
You gotta understand, you're under arrest.
Take it off.
You
I
not-
can't.
you not-
My arm here.
You're under arrest, man.
No. Bro. No, I'm telling you to take this off my arm, yo.
Come on.
Bro, look, what the f***? Yo.
Come on.
Hold on, wait. Bro, you gotta take this shit off.
Listen, look. There you go.
Oh my God. No, this shit is not cool. Go get my phone. Let me see you get my phone. Get my phone.
Your phone is in the car.
Let me see.
He's gonna show you right
Let
there.
me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
Your phone and your keys.
Let me see my keys.
Your keys are in here.
Let me see.
Get in the car already.
me see
I
what
showed you all
my
your stuff.
keys
I'm not showing you again. I'll show you your stuff.
Where's my phone? My keys are lying. Where's my phone? My keys are camera's not even on either. No, it's not. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys? Yo, stop! No!
Bro, stop! You choking me!
I'm not choking.
You was! Go get my key!
Keys are
Go
inside.
get my key! Stop! You stop her! Stop her! Stop!
Leg in the car.
Stop!
Excuse me. Did she drop anything else in here? Let me get it. Alright, cool. Nothing else? What's up, bro? You good? Just back up.
Please! Yo, give me my stuff, please! Give me my stuff!
Your stuff is in the front.
Give me my stuff! No, it's not! He just got my shoes!
Yeah, I got you.
No! Stop! Let go of my arm! You hurting my
Let's go.
wrist is bleeding, bro! Stop! Stop! Give me my shit! Ah! Ah, stop the shit!
Put your leg inside then.
It's whatever!
Put your leg inside.
The cross it hurts! Let me
Put
go!
them inside. Put your leg inside.
Show
then.
me my stuff!
I already showed you your
No,
stuff.
you didn't!
already
You just
showed you.
showed me my shoes! I need my keys!
Stop.
My phone!
You are already under arrest.
Yo!
Stop.
That doesn't mean you keep my
Stop.
shit!
Your shit is in the front.
Let me see, that's it!
I showed you already.
You just show me my shoes. It takes 2 seconds. Show me.
Did you not see your phone and keys already?
Let me see.
I'm not
Let
showing
me
you
see.
again. Put
Can
your
you
foot
please
inside.
Show me my phone.
It's in there.
Please, I promise you, on my son. I told him too. On my son, I was gonna
Put
leave.
your foot inside.
Yo,
That's it. Let's go. Put your foot inside. Let's go.
where's my key? Where's my cigarettes?
Your cigarette, your phone.
And where's my key? Let me see. Let me see the key. That's not my car. That's my boss stuff. Please.
Can you please go?
See, you don't have my key.
What's your stuff?
You
Let's
don't
go.
have my key. Check if it's in my pocket.
What does your key look like?
It's a small key. It's gray. You're gonna see the gray
Is it in
tag.
your pocket? I'm gonna check.
Check, please, just check. See if it's my pants pocket. I need that key, bro.
Where's your other pocket?
It's in the store. Please get my key. Please get my key, please. Oh my God.
You know you making this more.
No,
difficult
I'm
than
not.
what it has to
How? I work all day, every day for my money for the white people to be talking to me crazy. No.
be. You need
That
to
shit is
understand.
weird.
Mama, listen.
No.
You need to understand
No.
that you are under arrest.
What the f?
Okay?
That shit weird as hell. That's all
Stop
I can do
making
is
this-
work.
Stop making this more difficult than what it has to be. Put your foot inside.
Yo, that shit is weird, bro. That shit is weird.
Put your foot inside.
That's all she had to do was give me back my money. My key not in there.
Put your foot inside.
Wait, check.
Put your foot in the vehicle.
See?
I'm about to go inside and check. But you're I checked in there. They can't find your keys.
Yo,
It's not
see,
in
that's
there.
what I mean. That's the fucking bullshit, bro.
Can you put your foot inside?
Look,
Look,
check in my pocket.
I already checked.
Check, please.
You see the other one?
Y'all, they're gonna do some bullshit. Is it in?
Alright, cool.
Can you take this? Can you take this? No, stop.
A reported fight provides probable cause under the Fourth Amendment to detain persons involved in the altercation. Under New Jersey Statute 2C-12-1, assault occurs when a person attempts to cause or recklessly causes bodily injury to another. That threshold is satisfied here. Immediately upon contact, the suspect pulls away and refuses commands, and this is where her legal situation begins to deteriorate. New Jersey Statute 2C-29-2 governs resisting arrest. At baseline, purposely preventing an officer from effecting an arrest is a disorderly person's offense, up to 6 months in jail. However, the moment a subject uses physical force against an officer, that charge escalates to a third-degree crime, 3 to 5 years in prison, fines up to $15,000. New Jersey law is explicit. It is not a defense that the arrest was unlawful. As long as the officer announces intent to arrest, resistance is a separate criminal offense. In State v. Kane, a conviction was reversed only because officers failed to announce their intent before resistance began. Here, officers stated you are under arrest multiple times. That legal requirement is satisfied. Under the Supreme Court's framework in Graham v. Connor, use of force is evaluated through 3 factors. First, severity of the crime. A physical assault justifies hands-on intervention. Second, immediate threat. Unpredictable behavior in a crowded public space creates danger to bystanders and officers alike. Third, active resistance. The suspect continuously pulled away, went limp, and physically blocked the patrol vehicle. All 3 factors support the force applied. Critically, officers never deployed a taser, OC spray, or impact weapon. They relied entirely on empty hand control, staying well below what the use of force continuum permits under these circumstances. The suspect accuses an officer of choking her. The officer immediately denies it on camera. That real-time denial constitutes contemporaneous evidence, the strongest kind available in excessive force disputes. Body-worn cameras protect both citizens and officers from claims that cannot otherwise be verified after the fact. The body camera reveals no evidentiary basis for selective enforcement. The arrest was predicated on a reported assault. All force applied responded directly to active physical resistance, not to any protected characteristic. The officer's redirect, "You are under arrest," represents sound professional judgment under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment.
Shoulder, my head,
Okay, what hurts? Tell me what hurts.
my shoulder and my wrist.
Your shoulder and your wrist.
Please take them.
Listen, once EMS comes, I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen. Once EMS comes, if you decide that you want to go to the hospital, we are going to assist you going to the hospital because you are still placed under arrest. Now, the cuffs will not come. They're not coming off.
Put them somewhere else. Or like make them loose.
What I can do is put another pair of cuffs, but that's not up to me.
Please.
Okay? Listen, I can put another set and loosen them. That's all I can do. But you're gonna stay in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm telling you, it just hurts.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all I'm telling you. That it,
Okay, so would that be sufficient? They're gonna put another pair of cuffs on so it kind of spaces it out a little bit, so your shoulders aren't back like that.
it's not just my wrist and my shoulder.
Okay, well, like I said, nothing gonna be able to do about your wrist. It's a temporary restraining device. It's not gonna be comfortable. And if you're under arrest, that's how that works. They're not gonna take the cuffs off. Do you understand that?
I understand what you're telling me. I speak.
What's up, bro?
I'm saying, like, this guy here, you're not acknowledging what I'm saying. He's walking right here with this shirt.
Huh?
He keeps coming back. He's not supposed to leave. He's trespassing.
That guy?
Yeah, he will not leave.
Fucking guy. Alright, give me a second, bro, cause...
He will not leave.
Yo, let's go! Okay, bro, let's go. They don't want you here, so they don't have to give you services if they don't want to. I got you. Once I'm done over there, I got you, but leave for now. Once you see me done over there, come get me. But leave.
Or do you want to go to the hospital and have them x-ray your shoulder and all
I
that?
think my shoulder is broke.
Well, I can tell you, I'm pretty sure your shoulder's not broke. Would you let the officer space those handcuffs out? See if that is any relief for you? Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna take off this left hand. Hold on. Relax.
What shoulder is it?
What shoulder is it?
Is this my...
Your right hand?
Yeah.
Alright, so he's taking the left one
I'm
out.
taking the left one out.
No,
Alright?
my wrist hurts.
Man, you gotta
Relax, relax. I'm trying to take it off. Can you put the light on the cuff?
Yo.
Alright.
Relax.
Post-arrest, the suspect reports neck, shoulder, and wrist pain. This triggers the constitutional duty of care under the 14th Amendment. The Supreme Court established in City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital that officers must provide necessary medical care to individuals in custody. Deliberate indifference to serious medical needs violates due process. Here, EMS was called, hospital transport was offered, and the handcuffs were adjusted for comfort. That standard is fully met.
So she good? The hospital?
That's sufficient for right now?
My shoulder.
So do you want to go to the hospital or no?
My...
Listen, he's gonna check you, make sure you ain't got no weapons. The only thing that's gonna stay on your persons is your cash, okay?
You have anything in your pocket?
You guys took all of my stuff.
What'd you say?
You guys took all of my stuff.
You got your keys, you got your phone, you got everything on you. That's he said to take it somewhere specific.
No, don't push my heart. I got it, don't push my heart.
I took her personal stuff, but make sure nothing else is missed. I left. My bad. Make sure I didn't leave nothing else in her ear.
The suspect was charged with 5 offenses: aggravated assault under 2C-12-1 for the initial fight, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest under 2C-29-2, elevated to 3rd degree, disorderly conduct under 2C-33-2, and criminal damage to property under 2C-17-3. Had she complied with the initial arrest, she would likely have faced simple assault only, a disorderly person's offense with a maximum of months. Resistance did not resolve her situation. It compounded it. The officers receive a B+. Force was proportionate and restrained throughout, empty hand control only, despite sustained active resistance. The post-arrest medical response met constitutional standards. The deduction reflects use of profanity during the initial arrest and overlapping commands from multiple officers, which likely contributed to early confusion. Both are correctable through training. The suspect receives a D+. Sustained physical resistance elevated a potential misdemeanor to multiple felony-level charges. Her eventual cooperation during the medical phase prevents a failing grade. The legal avenue to challenge an arrest exists, but it belongs in a courtroom, not on the pavement. 2 lessons from this encounter. For citizens, resistance is always a separate criminal charge in New Jersey, regardless of whether the underlying arrest is lawful. The courtroom is the appropriate venue to contest an arrest, not the scene. For officers, the same suspect, who fought 4 officers, went calm when one officer explained what was happening and why. De-escalation is not weakness. It is a force multiplier. Let us know if there's interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.